Everybody, it is Friday, February 1st today. So this morning we start off the morning. Oh, don't eat your boot. Dirty. She literally just put her boot in her mouth. So we started off the morning with a nice winter walk outside. Are you going to walk? What's the temperature today? Here's Mom and Dad. Say hi.
Minus 19 again.
Which is what?
17.
Isn't that like -2 Fahrenheit?
Yeah.
It's supposed to, yeah. Say it's cold, but it's so pretty on the trail. And Mama needs to walk this belly. Oh my God.
-14.
Yeah, but that's not with the wind, is it? Oh, it's cold. Look how cute you are.
I'm walking on the trail.
Her cheeks are all rosy.
Red.
Yeah.
Good for her.
Woo!
Oh, good.
It's about -18 out, but it was nice to get outside and get some fresh air because, you know, it's good to have some exercise, and it was really nice to get out with my parents. So now we are home. Colin is home as well. He's just going to be leaving shortly to go for his last ice fishing thing because he's only been twice this year, and he's not gonna go in the month of March because I'm getting too big and I need him around. So this is his last one. So he bought all his stuff and he's excited to go. And then my mom and I, or Blakey and I, are gonna go to my parents' house for supper later for burgers. And I have something in my eyeball. And it's Super Bowl Sunday. Obviously we are rooting for the New England Patriots. So who are you guys rooting for? Let me know in the comments below. It's probably just gonna be Dad's having a shower, honey. My parents and Blake and I, because Colin, I could have gone with him. Like my parents would have babysat Blake so I could go with Colin to his annual football thing. But I kind of just want to stay in this year, and I think it's just because I'm really pregnant and there's hardly anything that fits me right now. So I just want to kind of stay in my pajamas. So instead of going with Colin, I was like, you go and then I'll stay here and then I'll see you later after the game. So that's kind of what we decided to do this year. What else? I still have something in my eyeball. I literally had like a little cry this morning because, I mean, I'm just pregnant and emotional, but I literally hardly have anything that fits me right now, like just because my belly is so big at 32 weeks pregnant. I mean, even though I haven't gained as much, like I weigh less now than I did at 25 weeks pregnant, but my belly's just so big that I feel like I hardly have anything to wear. And I don't know, I just was walking around in like my underwear this morning and my husband was upstairs. I just started to cry and I just said, I feel like you don't think I'm attractive anymore. And he was like, oh my God, why are you crying? He's like, you're beautiful. And anyways, I had my little moment. I'm better now. My hair is super flat. I just washed it last night and I have it half up, but it's super flat because I had a headband in my head when we went for a walk. So it looks like I really need to wash it again, but it's fresh. It's just super flat from like static and stuff. So anyways, B and I are gonna have some lunch soon. It's a beautiful day. It's really cold, but it's still beautiful. And tomorrow my mother-in-law is coming to watch Blake, so my mom and I can go for a pedicure and a nice coffee at this little coffee shop. So I'm really excited. And then my girlfriend's coming over at like 7:30 in the morning because she has to drop her husband off at work in the morning because they only have one car, and she's like, can I like chill with you till like 11? And I was like, yeah, sure. So we're gonna have a visit with her, and then it's the Super Bowl, and then next week I have my ultrasound on Tuesday, midwife appointment on Wednesday. Blake has her last shots, 18-month shots, even though she's 19 months in like a week. It's the last one that she gets until she's 5. So yeah, we are pro-vaccination in this household. If you're not, that's totally fine, but please be respectful. Every mom is different, every parent's different. But yeah, we're pro vaccines in this household. So she's got her last one next week, thank God, and then nothing till 5 till she goes to school. So that makes me very happy. Lakey's helping Mommy. She's in her new stool. Do you like it? It's really, really well built. Like, it's super nice. It's not cheap at all. Did Dada put that together for you? And then she can see. Yeah. So Blakey's lunch is cheese, an egg, raspberries, pickles, and a fig granola bar. And mine is a salad with a bit of cottage cheese, regular cheese, chicken. I have pickles on the bottom, tomato, and I'll do an oil and vinegar dressing. I'm also gonna put some of these sweet potato crackers in there. They're gluten-free, and what is it? 16 of them is 18 carb, but you can subtract the fiber, so I'm not gonna have 16 of them, but I'll have probably 10, and then probably like this many, and then I like to crush them and have that in my salad, so that looks super good. Explain the history of the grabber.
Well, I bought it to bug you.
He bought this, okay, he bought this thing, like, what, 2 years ago? And it drove me nuts because I thought that it was the stupidest thing ever. And I threw it out this past week, and he got it out of the garbage. And the funny thing is, now I like using it.
More than I do.
Because I don't have to bend over. Because you guys know, if you've been pregnant, when you're 31 weeks pregnant, if you can't bend over this way because you squash the baby. And then if you bend this way, it just takes so much effort. So now
oh, I need this toy. Oh, I need this block. Oh, Blake, you dropped your ball? Let me get that for you.
Yeah. And I used it last night. It's actually really good. And for all of you saying he got a haircut, because remember the last video, your hair was like crazy? He got
didn't like it, so I had to change it.
He got a haircut. Stupid thing. It's still like, it's funny because it's stupid, but I highly recommend it if you're pregnant, because it's pretty awesome. Oh, and this is now the playroom because we don't have room. Yeah, that's your ball. Go. Go, Daddy, go.
I think it's gonna get caught.
Beep, beep, beep. Bye, Bee. Beep, beep. Night, night. Yeah, I have one upstairs.
One's in that bathroom.
Yep. You going night nights? Silly girl. To show you guys Blakey's bed. So I bought a mattress topper for it. These are the sheets. They match the comforter because they've got the polka dots. They're so cute. And then you can't see it, but I bought a mattress topper, so it's super, super comfy now. And I've got pillows for the pillow shams, and then her unicorns. This is the lamp I bought that you guys saw. I'm out of breath because I just like ran up the stairs and was vacuuming her lamp that you guys saw in one of my hauls. And it looks really cute. And this unit was in Colin's and my bedroom, but obviously we don't need it in our bedroom because we're going to get built-in closets. So it fits perfectly here. So I put her lamp there, and then she's going to have little bins, and I'm going to put all her books and toys and bows and stuff in there. And Colin anchored it to the wall because it was really wobbly. He said he put a screw in, I think up here, so she can't topple it over. So it's super secure. And then I just put her little mat here. So I just think it looks so pretty. And obviously we have to put like pictures up and stuff like that. We're nowhere near done. And then I've got like, this is Olivia's bathtub, all her clothes. This is the new diaper genie that is nicer than the one that Blake had. That's for Livy's room. And a couple other sneak peek of some of her room stuff. some of her room stuff. So yeah, I think that looks really good and I'm really getting super excited. 2:30 and the little missus is up from her nap. She typically sleeps for about an hour and a half. 1 hour and a half stretch in the day. So she's up now and we're just gonna play for a bit. She's always cranky when she first wakes up, so give me a minute. We have Blake's beautiful blind that we paid quite a bit of money for behind here, but they are blackout, but they still let the sun in at the side, so that's why we have this blanket hanging over there. Probably will for quite some time, just because her room's at the front of the house, so it gets the most sunlight. So that's kind of a little mom hack for you. She's actually very happy this afternoon from her nap. Teddy, yeah, she wanted her 2 teddy bears in her crib, and they're bigger than her, so now there's no room for baby Blake. Yeah, that's your kitty cat. That's her word for cat. Teddy. Where's your puppy? That puppy was mine when I was a baby, like 6 months old. Is that puppy? Where's Minnie Mouse? Is that Minnie?
Baby.
Oh, yeah, that's a baby. That's baby Blake. That's when you were 3 months old.
Oh.
That's you.
Up.
Oh, hop, hop, hop. Yeah, the bunny. There's a bunny up there, so that's why she goes, hop, hop, hop goes the bunny. Say hop, hop. Pretty soon, B, you're going to be in your big girl bed. No more crib for you. Oh, you waving to the bunny. We got to fix that hair, girlfriend.
Baby.
You're waving to the baby. Do you love babies? Yeah. Yeah, they cry. They do cry. Here. Okay, let's try and do an even pigtail. That's not very easy for me, but we'll try. Did you have a good nap, princess? Hey? You'll be ready to run around at Grandma and Grandpa's. Beautiful. Yeah, those are black ones. You want to get down?
Okay.
Yeah. And get down. Boom. There you go. What are you doing? Oh, you going night-nights? Okay, Mommy, be quiet. It's honestly bittersweet that she's going to be going into her big girl bed soon. I kind of wish we didn't have to do it just yet. But
Baby.
yeah, it's your baby sister in Mommy's tummy. But if you guys don't know, we got a double bed for Christmas for her. So it's now in the other bedroom, and we, you want to touch your baby's tummy or Mommy's tummy? Oh, you want to see? She always tries to lift my shirt. You want to see baby? Baby, where's baby? There's baby. Mommy's tummy.
Baby.
That's belly.
Button.
Yeah, Mommy's belly button. And she has a Timbit. Yeah, there's Blake's belly buttons there too. Do you love your baby sister? Yeah. Are you going to be the best big sister ever? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, are you so strong? Show your muscles. So Blake has to go into her big bed because we only have one crib. So I'm a little nervous about it, but I'm sure every parent feels that way when they're transitioning their child. And at least we did decide to put rails all the way around so she can't get out. Oh, you're gonna feed your teddy? That's so nice. Just for peace of mind, because I don't want to be worrying about her getting out when I have a newborn. So we're just gonna try it that way. She'll be about 20 months by the time she goes into her bed. So we'll see. We'll see. Do you want to read a book, B? Yeah? You pick a book and Mommy read. Well, you gotta pick one first before you sit on me. You just gonna, okay. You just gonna sit on me? Eyes. Nose. Is that Mommy's nose? Eyes. eyes. Where's your mouth? Where's mommy's mouth? Oh, thank you. Where's your teeth? Where's your tongue? Where are your ears? Good girl. Where's your elbow? Good. Oh, that's your shoulder. Where's your elbow? Down there. Good girl. Where's your hair? Good job. Oh, I think our friend Danielle's messaging me. I think Danielle's messaging us. Danielle Nichols here. Y'all know her. If you don't, you need to follow her because she's amazing and I love her. A lot of you guys ask why I, gosh, it's bright here, go to see my parents so often and vice versa. And it's because they're both retired. Okay, baby, 1 second. They're both retired and I'm such a daddy's girl and my mom is literally my best friend. I never get sick of them. They never get sick of me. And yeah, that's why. Like, literally my mom is my best friend. There's nobody I would rather like spend time with than her, other than like my husband and my child. And my dad is my everything. I'm a daddy's girl. He's my hero. He's like, I love my parents. And we're just a very close family and we always have been. So that's why we see each other a lot. So I'm getting packed up and ready to go. Update on this little diaper bag, because I know y'all were asking. I have to take my diabetes monitor thing. I love it. So far, so good. The zipper hasn't broke. I really like it. But I've only had it a week, so I'll give it some time. Holy moly. Okay. I know I shouldn't be this way, but I get super annoyed when like there's a person sitting in his car. I think he's, oh no, he's still there, outside of my house, and he's like blasting his like rap music, and he just pulled over at the side of the road, and it's just like, I don't care if you want to listen to your music. That doesn't mean the whole neighborhood wants to listen to your music and the bass and everything. It's just like, oh, turn down your music. I know I'm like 90. He's having a turkey burger with some ketchup and potatoes. I just have a little bit of potato. Mom made Caesar salad with arugula, and that's my turkey burger under the lettuce because I can't have a bun.
Grandpa made.
That Grandpa made. And that's Mommy and Daddy's. Yeah. Hello everybody, I am home now and I just got baby girl to bed, and I took my blood at my parents' house and it was good, so I'm happy. And yeah, I'm just gonna chill now and watch Shark Tank because I love Shark Tank. Colin and I watch it all the time. And I just turned the fireplace on in that room because it's kind of chilly. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I have so many videos planned, it's not even funny. So I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. I have a ton of videos coming your way. You have no idea. Like seriously, I'm like going crazy with the amount of filming that I'm doing. But anyways, I love you all and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.